A good evening. We are here at the Cinnemon Boardwalk on the northern part of the island and we are enjoying a beautiful sunset here. Welcome to Koh Mak. A good morning. It's around 7 o'clock and we are here at the Seavana Resort, and today I'm going to bring you around on the island of Koh Mak. And Koh Mak is located on the eastern seaboard of Thailand, just south of Koh Chang. Koh Chang Island is over there. The first part that I will show you is here, the Ao Soun Yai Beach. And as you can see, there's nobody here. And this is what Koh Mak is all about. Koh Mak is a very quiet and relaxed island. If you look at the shape of Koh Mak, it almost looks like it is a plus. And the longest part from north to south is about 7 kilometers, and from east to west as well 7 kilometers. We took the ferry yesterday with Suramgo, and it's around 35 kilometers south from the mainland, and it took us about 40 minutes with the boat. So Koh Mak is a relatively new island. They only started tourism in the 1970s, and in the 1980s they finally had enough infrastructure to start building hotels. But this is what a tropical paradise looks like. And we're gonna be here for 2 days, and then after that we're gonna head on towards Koh Kut. And Koh Kut and Koh Mak are two islands from the same archipelago. So what I said there, in the far end you have Koh Chang, which is the busiest island of them all, and then Koh Mak and Koh Kut are more south in the direction of Cambodia. We're actually around the corner from Cambodia here. We are here on the other side of the island, and this is where you have the longest beach, and this is Ao Khao. There are several resorts on here, and if you come here with the speedboat, good morning. If you take the speedboat, this is one of the options where you arrive. And I remember the first time when we came to Koh Mak, we arrived right here. Here in front you have the two Koh Kradat Islands, and they are supposed to have very nice snorkeling over there. There in the back you see an island, and that is Koh Kut. That's where we're heading tomorrow, and from here you have a nice view actually of the whole beach. And again, not many people here, and that is the draw of this island. This is why everybody loves it so much. resort that I wanted to share with you just because of the way that it looks here. I just drove up here with the motorcycle. It's the Lazy Day Resort. And this is on the Ao Beach. Koh Mak is actually full of these kind of really nice places. You can see there's nobody here. There's a nice little beach in front. This would be perfect for a wedding, right? Koh Mak has a beautiful temple as well, which is under construction at the moment. And this one overlooks the bay where you can find the Ao Nit pier. It looks like it's almost finished. Next to the resort where we are staying, you find the Koh Mak Resort, which is actually from the same owner. From here you can take the boat to Koh Kham, and Koh Kham is a small island off the coast here. It's about a kilometer away. During low tide you can actually walk there, but you can also take a boat and then spend a day. It's a national marine park. So welcome to Koh Kham, and it's definitely worth to come and visit this little island. So the ticket to get here is 350, but this includes the entrance fee to the island. This is a national marine park, and it also includes one drink. And before you leave, you can tell the ferry what time you want to go back. And this is what I already mentioned a couple of times. During low tide, you can actually walk all the way there. You know, this reminds me a little bit of the small island you have in the north of Koh Phangan. So our boat just arrived again to bring us back nice on time. Cap. Yeah, so I'm wearing my cap and my glasses because the sun is too intense today. Well, one of the things that you should not forget if you come here, make sure you bring some cash, because there are not many cash machines. I am here at the heart, at the center of the island, and this is in front of the police station, and this is the only place on the island where there is actually a cash machine. It's around 4 o'clock and we are on our way to Koh Kradat, and Koh Kradat is very famous because there is a big population of deer. It's like a private island. We are here at the Villa Allure. They just called the boat and the boat will pick us up. So this is our boat to Koh Kradat. So welcome to Koh Kradat Island, which in English would be the paper island, and the reason is because it's so flat that it looks like a paper. And there are deer here on the island, so I'm very interested to see where they are and how that looks. But it looks actually quite nice. So I paid a total of 830 baht, and that includes some food and snacks for the deer as well. Okay. Kokumakap. So here we go. So we're gonna do a tour around the island. Yummy. I see there are more coming now. So now we're gonna go and do our tour. Sorry, what is your name? Kate. Kate. Kun Kate just told us that there are 400, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah, so I wanted to make a video about Koh Mak and then just integrate this part, but I think I'm just gonna keep this as a separate video because I find it quite interesting. If you are on Koh Mak anyway, don't forget to visit Koh Kradat Island. I did not know what to expect of this island, but it's definitely worth it. It's worth to see the deer, it's worth to see the 3 islands, and then you have these coconut trees here. So the park closes at 5 o'clock. Or 5 o'clock they will let the last visitors in. Northern part of the island, and this is called the Cinnemon Boardwalk. This is basically a long pier that goes into the sea here, and the sunsets here are absolutely amazing. They have this nice yellow glow. The entrance fee for this walk is 50 Thai baht per person. From here you can take the boat to Koh Kradat, which is the island that you can see in the back there. Yeah, this was recommended by the lady that showed us the resort, and I'm happy that she told us about this place because it looks absolutely stunning. Let's move on. Koh Mak actually has quite a lot of nice places where you can have a good sunset, and one of the better ones here is the Blue Pearl. And as you know, there is only so many sunsets in a holiday, and we are here for 2 nights. And we just came from Koh Kradat Island. Yesterday we were at the Cinnemon Pier. You know, and what I learned here in Thailand, the secret of a good sunset is not so much to just see the sun go down, but look at the colors when the sun is already gone. It's absolutely cool. So Sawadee krap. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So we're gonna go and grab ourselves a cocktail and enjoy the evening here. By the sea you can find in the village, and there's also a little guest house in here, and they have some really good food. We are trying out some salads. So I have my Caesar salad, Bella has the melon salad, and then we have the, what do you call this?
Crushed baked potatoes.
Crushed baked potatoes. So we are here with Top again.
Strawberry shake.
Top has the strawberry shake. Maybe I should try that later as well. So let me show you a bit around here. So as you can see, it's not too busy. This is because high season is over, but it still has a good atmosphere. So we are directly on the beach here. Yeah, we noticed that the whole island is not busy. So the high season is basically until Songkran, and Songkran was last week. So if you want to enjoy some live music, you can come to Baya Sea, and every Monday Topsy is singing live music here. So our ferry is arriving. We are heading towards Koh Kut with Sudemgo again. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Koh Mak. Koh Mak is an island where you come to relax, where you come to rewind. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.